Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that has been turning heads all over the automotive world. The brand new Suzuki Motorhome, a futuristic off-road beast that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie and onto the showroom floor. This isn't just another camper or a simple family van. This is Suzuki stepping into the world of extreme adventure travel with a design that blends rugged capability, modern comfort, and cutting-edge style in a way we rarely see from mainstream manufacturers. The first thing you notice when you look at this motorhome is its sheer presence. It has a bold, armored exterior with sharp geometric lines, oversized off-road tires, and an aggressive stance that makes it look ready to take on deserts, mountains, and everything in between. The white body paired with gray and orange accents gives it a clean but tactical look. It's the kind of machine that makes you feel like you're preparing for an expedition to some unexplored part of the world the moment you see it. Suzuki has clearly taken inspiration from the rising popularity of overlanding vehicles and luxury expedition rigs, combining practicality with a strong visual identity. Moving around the exterior, you notice the high ground clearance, reinforced bumpers, and roof structures that suggest both durability and versatility. This motorhome is built for more than just highway cruising. It's built to leave the road, and maybe civilization, behind for a while. The body panels are angular and tough, almost giving it the appearance of a small armored truck. Large windows along the sides promise a bright and open interior, while the front grille and sleek LED headlights give it a modern, aggressive face. It's one of those vehicles that looks like it can handle anything you throw at it, from sandy dunes to snowy trails, all while keeping you comfortable inside. And speaking of the interior, once you step inside, you realize Suzuki didn't just focus on the rugged exterior. They went all out to create a luxurious, functional, and technologically advanced living space. The cabin is designed to feel open and modern, with soft ambient lighting, premium materials, and a layout that makes smart use of every inch of space. The panoramic windows let in a lot of natural light, making the interior feel even larger and more comfortable. Whether you're planning a long road trip or extended off-grid living, this motorhome makes it feel easy. The cockpit area features a sleek digital dashboard, a multifunction steering wheel, and a large touchscreen infotainment system. Everything is laid out for convenience and functionality, giving the driver a sense of control while still maintaining a futuristic vibe. It feels more like the inside of a premium SUV than a traditional motorhome. Moving into the living space, you get a mix of comfort and practicality. Plush seating, foldable tables, and efficient storage solutions make the interior perfect for both relaxing and working on the go. The kitchen setup includes the essentials you'd expect from a high-end motorhome: a compact stove, a sink, storage compartments, and possibly even a small fridge depending on the configuration. The materials stick to the modern color theme: white, gray, and matte black, giving it a clean, sophisticated look. Everything feels durable yet stylish, as if designed to handle real adventures while still keeping you in luxury. The sleeping area is cozy but functional, offering enough room for restful nights no matter where you're parked. The designers have clearly considered how to make the most of a compact space without sacrificing comfort. Smart lighting, soft surfaces, and strategically placed storage compartments make sure your nights are just as comfortable as your days on the road. One of the biggest highlights of this motorhome is how it blends rugged capability with everyday usability. It's not just an overlanding monster, it's something you can take on long family trips, weekend getaways, or even use as a mobile office. Suzuki seems to be aiming for a broad audience, from adventurers to digital nomads to families looking for something unique. Overall, the new Suzuki Motorhome is a bold step forward and a signal that the company is ready to compete in the rapidly growing world of off-road motorhomes. It's tough, stylish, practical, and filled with modern features. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or cruising through the city, this motorhome promises to deliver an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.